Alright, so now it's telling me to do the filament thing again, which is just here, so seems to have all the filament in it, so I might just go with filament extruded continue. Then it's going to start doing its little thing. So it's definitely heating up now, and it's just spitting out all that shit. So, and that thing's spinning around as well. So it's going to carry on with it anyway. Like, I think it just gets confused because it just doesn't have that. But so you can see that it's moving the filament. It's taking it in. See, so it's definitely working. So yeah, it should be all good. But yeah, this is not recommended. Like, it gets a bit whiffy in here, so it's not ideal to have it in your room. But anyway, I got this wide open and shit. So I mean, could it be worse than welding? Like, surely fucking not. But yeah, it's. Is it burning plastic? It's like sort of. I mean, yeah. Anyway, keep you posted. Yeah, alright, so we stopped the print, and the only way I could stop it was by turning it off. Then that put it into pause mode. Then it said continue when I turned it back on again, and then I just said no because it just kind of lost everything, basically. And yeah, that's all that we got out of it, so that just did not work whatsoever. All I could do is really just try another print. The Panda just... I mean, he takes 10 hours, doesn't he? Yeah, wish me luck with that.